Hi, welcome to ReliaMaint YouTube channel. Today we shall see how ReliaMaint CMMS facilitate the document and media library function. The equipment maintenance team can access the needful media or documents with a single click on mobile device at equipment location. Media and document are stored at equipment level. These media and documents can be accessed from the any work order of equipment. It support Word document, spreadsheets, PDF, images and videos with size of 5 megabytes. These attachment can also removed if not required in the work orders. Document or media also attached to work order directly from local device like computers or mobiles. When machines drawings or circuit diagrams are required to diagnose the machine issues and required SOPs pertaining to work order, this feature will save lot of maintenance time which otherwise wasted in search or bringing the document at work site. It will improve wrench time and support a quick resolution of breakdowns. Thanks for being with us. Keep visiting us to know about new features of ReliaMaint CMMS.